All right, this is Lincoln with Mission Restoration, doing a repairability test for Gary Penrose. And what's the address, your brother?
It's 1102 West Portland Street.
1102 West Portland Street. Shows the slope. This slope's in the best condition of any slope on the property. So we're going to start here on what would have the best chance of passing the repairability test. I outlined one shingle that we're going to be removing and reinstalling as well. To start, we're going to start with breaking the seal here. Breaking that seal. Pull the fasteners for this shingle. I got to go to the course above. I'm also going to pull this shingle. Pull this shingle here. Now I'm going to check for fasteners. Be careful not to bend it too much. All right, we do have staples here. Well, that happened.
If that doesn't show you repairability.
Yeah. Immediately started the test, and that shingle fell out. Actually, the shingle broke there. Pull this as well. Need to grab the remaining fasteners up here. Gonna pull this shingle out. Staples as well. Being as careful as I possibly can. Staple's not wanting to come out here. There we go. This last staple. If you come over here and notice the mat transfer, the shingle below transferring down onto the tack strip here. I mean, this shingle is now compromised. Pulling out the previous broken shingle. As you can see, the shingle's falling out. Oh, I guess it didn't come out. Now we're going to remove the shingle we're trying to remove here. Check the fasteners, still fastened. Here, break the seal on this one. As we manipulate this roof, you can tell that the shingles are falling apart. Clearly not repairable. I'm going to pull this shingle as well to get to that course. Alrighty. Now while I pause the video, we gotta go to nails. Alrighty, so I went and procured some roofing nails here, as this entire slope is installed with staples. I'm gonna break off 4 nails here. begin our installation. I grab this. Ooh, this is a complete and total failure. These shingles are completely falling apart. This is a complete and total failure. I can't even reinstall the shingle. We're going to have to grab new shingles. Obviously, as we begin repairing the rest of the slope, if this is any indication of what we're going to be running into, it's going to go widespread throughout the entire roof, and repairability is at 0 on this roof. So the other shingle failed as we went into it. The shingle failing as well. So we're going to have to move past this with a full replacement.